Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking the goal and the single metric you'll measure, because clarity drives cut decisions. Once that's set, write a concise 30 to 60-second script and a shot list. This saves hours on set. Then gather kit, smartphone or camera, tripod, lapel mic, and stable light source, and schedule a half-day or specific time blocks. Start shooting simple hero shots and multiple takes now, so you have options when you edit. You move into editing with a focus on attention. Cut a rough version and create 15 to 30-second variants that put the hook in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Once done, trim dead space, add captions and craft crop versions for 16 to 9 and 1:1 placements. Make sure audio is clean, normalize levels, remove hiss, and layer a subtle 3 to 5 second music bed to support the message without overpowering it. Export high-quality masters and compress delivery files next. You prepare to launch by setting up a /B tests, 2 headlines, 2 thumbnails, and 2 CTAs to learn quickly. Start with a conservative daily test budget and run for at least 7 days, then scale the winning creative 3 to 5 times. Watch CTR, conversion rate, and cost per click closely. Make changes based on data, not intuition. If results tank, the key troubleshooting tip is to swap the thumbnail and rerun the test. Poor hooks, not messaging, often cause low performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.